carrot. You know, this, like, before I came down, I thought I was gonna make us coffee using that machine. Kind of did it. But it's not. It's actually Today is day 2 of Hawaii. We are getting acai bowls, and I've got a monkey bowl, and my friend's got the classic acai bowl, and she's saying that the difference between this one and the ones we get in Sydney is that her one is not very icy. Anyway, I've got a monkey bowl because I wanted to get something different to hers, and this has mostly peanut butter, and I love peanut butter. This is very coconutty. Very peanutty, and I've also got bananas in here as well. We're currently at the Lawson store, which I don't see Lawson stores. Last time I saw one was like in Japan, and this is very similar to like an ABC Mart. I also got a tote bag. It's very, very cute. It's a pineapple tote. Yeah, I like it. The breakfast bowls that we had, well, the monkey bowl that I had, that was really delicious. There was a lot of peanut butter. I feel like if I didn't love peanut butter, that would be a bit too much for me. Anyway, we're heading back to the hotel really quickly, and then we're gonna do a small hike. It's about a 20-minute drive away from where we're at. But the views when we get up there, I think are pretty phenomenal, so I'm pretty excited for that. Also, the weather is perfect. That makes me so happy. And we're literally like 2 minutes walk from the beach where we're staying at. If you are coming to Hawaii, like I've stayed one night and so far it's been great. So I'll let you know at the end of this stay, but at the moment I would recommend that hotel. We are heading to Lanikai Beach, but before we do that, we're gonna get some food first. We're heading to this place to grab a bunch of musubis so we can just have it on the beach. Let's look at the menu. Is there anything at the back? Okay, let me just show you what I've got. So, ooh, this is like nice and hot. So I've got a shisho musubi, and I've also got an egg spam musubi. Oh my goodness, the rice is like boiling hot. That should be enough as a snack. Actually, I could probably eat 2 more, but I'll get more snacks along the way. Okay, we have just gotten to Lanikai and we are doing the Lanikai Pillbox hike. The entrance to this is a little bit hard to spot. It's actually right next to like private property, but we've made it. Doesn't seem like there's too many people at the moment. Guys, that walk up took about, I'd say 10 minutes, but these views, I don't think I can ever get sick of these views. This wind is out of control though. We have about maybe another 10 minutes of walking before we get up to the very top. The wind is very, very strong here. So if you can't hear a thing that I'm saying, I'll put it in the subtitles. Wow. The great thing about this is you don't have to wait to get up to the very top in order to enjoy these views. You get to take it in as you're walking up, which is amazing. We have the spam musubi. It's like an egg and spam sandwich, except better because you got rice. Hey guys, we're at the top of the pillbox. There's like 2 pillboxes. There's one over there, which I'll show you in just a sec. What we should have done, instead of eating over there, we should have eaten over here. Because the views Oh my goodness, I can't get sick of it. Like, I've been here before, and every time I come here, I'm like, it looks so beautiful. Look at the color of the water. How much do you reckon a house here would cost? I heard some people talking about this before. They're like, it's probably like multi-million. I bet it is. Because like, this is a multi-million-dollar view. We're about to go down to the beach for a little bit, but first we have to get down. And I saw a lot of people slipping as they were walking down the gravelly path, so fingers crossed we don't slip. All right, we are just done with our hike. We're now heading to the beach, and I'll probably stay there for, I don't know, a little while before we head back to Waikiki. And that was really nice. Today has been such a nice day. We woke up, we had a acai bowl / monkey bowl with the coconut cream and peanut butter, and then we went on the Pillbox hike, and now we're going to the beach. And then tonight, I really want to go to either Cheesecake Factory or go to Ala Moana, that mall, because I remember like underneath on the ground floor, there's this big food court. I don't know what my fascination with Cheesecake Factories is. I think it's because I see it so much on The Big Bang Theory. I'm always just so curious about going. But yeah, right now we're heading to the beach. This beach is beautiful. The water is a little bit cold, but it's super, super refreshing. And I think we are going to call it a day here and head back to Waikiki. The plan is to go to the Cheesecake Factory for dinner tonight because we live quite close there. So I think we're just gonna head back to the hotel, drop everything off, and then make our way to Cheesecake Factory. I remember asking a bunch of you guys on Instagram some of your recommendations on things to do and places to eat in Honolulu, and a number of you guys suggested going to the Cheesecake Factory, which, by the way, I also really wanted to go because I've seen it in like TV shows and movies so much, and I've always been super curious about what it would be like. So I think the menu is quite extensive, and of course we're going to order cheesecake for dessert as well. Right now the sun is setting on Waikiki Beach, and it's so beautiful. Okay, we are just waiting to get to Cheesecake Factory, and while we were waiting in line, there were so many people that were walking behind us that were just like, really? A line for Cheesecake Factory? Regardless, I mean, I'm excited. I'm excited to check it out and see what is available on the menus. So I'm gonna wait, even if the line is long. We ended up waiting for about 45 minutes and they just called our number. So we have a table right now. Just got seated at Cheesecake Factory, and it seems like a lot of things have run out, because initially we were going to get the luau salad and that ran out, and we were also going to get the steak tacos, but that ran out as well. So we ended up getting a Sheila's chicken salad and also a crispy chicken and prawns dish with white rice. Sorry about the lighting. There's like literally a light right above me. But the salad has just arrived. It is massive. It's got fried wonton skin. It's got lettuce. It's already dressed. We've got pieces of chicken. We've got some carrots. We've got cucumber, avocado. We've got some cashews, coriander. A decent salad. The dressing is a little bit sweet, but you know what? It's fine. It's like a sweet sesame dressing. A tad bit of a kick, like a spicy kick, but I like it. For some reason, I was thinking something a little bit different when we ordered this chicken and prawn with rice. This reminds me a little bit of like a honey soy chicken with prawns. It's savory, it's sweet, it's a little bit chili. I think this has a bit too much sauce for me. The chicken and prawn dish that we just had, to be very honest, I didn't really like it. So we didn't really finish all of it. But our dessert have just arrived. This is a cheesecake. We've got some blueberries and strawberries and a whole load of whipped cream. I just had a bite of the cheesecake. I think it's delicious. Let me know if you have any particular cakes here at the Cheesecake Factory that you would really recommend. And I'm gonna try it next time I'm here. And also mains as well. If there are like mains that you really rate, let me know. Because like, I mean, we didn't actually land on the chicken and prawn dish initially. They ran out of the steak tacos, they ran out of the fish tacos, they ran out of the, well, we're gonna get a Thai chicken? Yeah, Thai chicken, a coconut lime Thai chicken, and they ran out of that. And so that's why we went with this one. Yeah. But yeah, if you have any other recommendations, I am all ears. Okay, everything came to $53 or $54, but that's not including taxes and tips yet. And tips, I think from memory, we selected 22%. So usually when you pay, they turn the iPad around and you like can select different options. I think it was like 18, 22, and 25. And so including taxes and tips, everything came to around 68 or 69 US dollars, which is close to $100. For people that are based in the US, is this pricing like normal? Because as much as Sydney is, you know, a pretty expensive place to live in, $100 for a salad, a mains, and a slice of cake, it's pretty pricey. And if you're based in the US, I've been wondering, like, what is the etiquette for tipping when you just get like a takeaway coffee or something like that? Anyway, that is it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button for me. It helps me out a lot. Like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye. Guys, that walk up took about, I'd say 10 minutes. But these views, I don't think I can ever get sick of these views.
This wind is out of control.
This wind is out of control though.
Do I just feed you lines these days and you just repeat on camera?
Yeah.